from Open Journey. Just want to say a quick hi to everyone and to people who are newly following Open Journey. It's been quite a while, so you probably haven't seen me, just so you can put a face to the person behind the account and the kit. So hi everyone, thank you for your amazing support with the launch of these two new kits, Seeds of Hope and Fruit of the Spirit. This is part 1, part 2. And also I make new journals usually for the new kits when I don't work directly in the Bible. I want to show you, I stayed up all night last night making these. I shouldn't have taken me that long. I don't know, I couldn't, it was too late, I think. That was it. So I have two journals though. One I made, one I found. This is really beautiful. It's from 1870, I think. Somebody's journal. It's quite beautiful inside. So I just want to show you the inside of these journals, and I'm just looking forward to see how everybody is gonna use these new kits. So thank you again for all your amazing support, and we'll see you around. So here's the journal, the new journal I made. I used it, I bound that myself. I used the cinch, the We Are Memory Keeper cinch. I needed like 3 tries to do it. It was just all me. I don't know why I was so confused. First time I thought I remembered how to do it because I only used it once, but I was wrong. I didn't remember how to do it. The second time I looked through the instructions, but still I put it on backwards. The third time kind of turned out. So I used this cute little journal charm, which works perfectly here. I love it. And I used the cover from the folder that the kit comes in. So this is the devotional and this is the cover. And I just opened it up and I cut it so you can make it what size, what width do you want. And inside, it's very pretty, the cover inside, so I wanted to keep that. First I thought I'm gonna glue it, but I really like the inside, so I'll leave it. And this is just chipboard, probably I'll decorate it. I made a little spot here to keep the devotional part. And then I added all kinds of mixed media pages I worked on previously. I just saved them, and I have a stash, so I just picked a few pages that would go with this kit. I added this is the part that I cut off from here, so I used it here, which is really, it's really pretty. So just from the sari ribbon. So these are just strips of washi tape covered with white acrylic, so it has a very cool effect. And some jelly plate pages I made in the past. I added them there for and of course this is all, you know, space for journaling. I'm gonna add color. It's very pretty spread. So this is what I'm gonna use. You know, this journal serves or fulfills that need for color, you know, and texture, and I'm gonna add more color to it. But also I want a journal that's just plain and welcoming, and so it's so hard to combine the two needs, one for, you know, art, texture, color, and then I don't know, this is inspiring in one way, but then I found this, I picked it up I don't know, a while ago at an antique store, and it's someone's journal, but it's just so beautiful inside. So this would be perfect to work in. There are little drawings of I think it was used for farming. I'm not quite sure, but see, it says 1874, and I can't really read. It's not very legible. It's like they're keeping account of money and of working days and things like that. So another cool little map. So it's just beautiful inside, and I'm gonna look. This is what I'm just to give you an example, you know, to use some of these Polaroid images here, or new images that probably you're gonna take, I'm gonna take. That'll be very pretty, and a few notes regarding, you know, the holy reminders, God's holy reminders. That's what, you know, I'm talking about, the keeping a journal of God's holy reminders, almost like a gratitude journal, but it goes even deeper. You know, it's you paying attention to the relationship, to your relationship with God. Holy reminders. So that's what I want to journal and track in this journals. Of course, you know, the visual, the beautiful visual part has its purpose, of course, but also just, you know, keeping track of these things. I think it's very important, so you don't have to go to the crazy, you know, extent of making all this. Just take a, you know, a simple, very simple notebook. I thought I had one here handy. Anyway, like this, you know, I tried, so that maybe I'm gonna use something like this, and I used the stamp that comes, Seeds of Hope. Like that's what I stamped on here, the stamp, and then the round hope stamp that comes with the kit. It looks beautiful, isn't it? I just love it. I can't wait to work with this. So this is it. I just want to show you how I got started with this kit, and I really cannot wait to see how you will be enjoying this kit, and how it's gonna just keep you in the Word, because that is the purpose of these kits. So thank you so much, and let me know what you think. Thank you.